Hi everyone, we are going to talk about your Lego kits here that you have. Each classroom should get about 8 different Lego kits, which would give you anywhere from 2, 3, 4 students to 1 Lego kit. So they are going to be working in groups for this coding project. So what this video is going to be is me showing you how to organize your Lego kits. You can either have your students do this, or if you don't feel as confident in them doing something like this, then you can go ahead and do that for them. So when you open your Lego kit, it does have a start here form for you to go over if you would like to. It basically just takes you to the website so that you know where to go. But this backside is very important. This is going to help you label your kit. And as you can see, here's what the 2 trays are going to look like, and here are your 2 trays. So you're going to need to hold on to this for sure. And then here are the labeling stickers that it gives you. They are color coded and it shows you which tray the colors go to. So we are going to need to hold on to that as well. So what I like to do first is go ahead and pull both of these out, put the tub to the side, put the trays down, and now I can organize my trays and keep all of my Legos inside of the tub. All I have to do is search for the ones that I need. So the first thing that I need to do is I'm going to add these stickers and do some organizing. So on my first tray, I'm going to need these 4 colors on the corners. It's important that you follow the directions step by step because the trays are according to the different sizes of Legos. Okay, so we're gonna stop on the stickers for now. So I have all of my 4 corners labeled correctly according to my sticker sheet here and the labels that it told me to do. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add in the Legos. So as you can see on the labels, it also has numbers here so that you're able to match them accordingly. So I'm gonna start pulling out Legos and I'm gonna find their numbers. So this on the bag is number 6. And so on the tray, I'm gonna see which one is number 6. It's also color coordinated. So as you can see, these colors match, and I'm gonna put all the Legos in there. Okay, so now I have all of my Legos organized. They are matching the color corners. I would let my students know that they need to stay in these trays unless they are pulling out that specific Lego for them to build with. I would not grab a bunch of Legos and set them on the table because at that point you're gonna lose Legos or you're gonna get a lot mixed together. Something Bianca had mentioned was if you put a Lego lost and found in your room somewhere, that's going to help your students if they do lose a Lego, maybe somebody finds it, then they're going to have their piece because there's only so many extra pieces in your kit. There is a bag of extra building Legos that don't go in the trays. We are going to use some of these pieces, but they do not have a specific spot that they go in, so they just need to stay in this bag. And then there's also a box that has some extra replacement parts in it, just in case you lose them. Go ahead and keep those in the box as well because we don't need those. So what we're gonna move into now is we're gonna move into the motors and the lights and the wheels and labeling those. So that is step number 2. So step 1, we label the trays and we organize the Legos. And then step 2, we have all of these different parts right here and we're gonna put these little stickers on them so that we can number them. I've unpackaged all of my pieces here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna add these tiny little stickers right here to them so that we can put a number on them so that everything can be numbered the same thing. For example, my tub is gonna have a sticker. Maybe this is tub 1, so I'd write a 1 here, and then on all these little stickers, I'm also gonna write number 1 so I know that these pieces belong to this tub. The stickers do not have to be perfect as long as they are labeled somewhere on here where there's not a hole, there's an open space, blank space, then they are good to go. One thing I would tell the students is they're not grabbing the motors and the lights and the sensors by the cord. They want to grab it by this main compartment so that they are not messing up their cord. I'm gonna get my big label for my tub, and I'm gonna put it there on my tub. At this point, you could have your students, or you could do it, write the number of what these belong to. So if this is tub 1, put a 1 on all of these stickers so they're all labeled the same thing. Okay, now that we have all of this labeled and put together, we're gonna just put everything back inside of our tray until it is time for us to use it. What I would let your students know is that it is important for them to hold the tray with 2 hands, because if they try to do a one-handed, it accidentally topples over. All those Legos are unorganized and they are mixed together. So always use 2 hands to open their tray. So if they need to grab 2 hands here to get it out and then put their big hand underneath to grab 2, just make sure they're grabbing these trays carefully. And that is it.